Hi DevOps engineers, welcome to Devops Wonder, Devops for all. This is HCL real interview questions for 1 to 3 years experienced. DevOps questions, basics. So in your 3 years of experience in DevOps, what you will learn? The basic things you will learn, what are the technologies you are aware of, you need to explain here. Docker questions, what is a Docker, what is a Docker container, what is Docker image, what is Docker file, how to list all the Docker containers running, how to stop a Docker container, running container, what is Docker run command, and what is Docker registry. DevOps technologies based questions. So how you use Docker in Bamboo build plan? And second one is what are the ways to integrate Nagios and Docker? So these are tools, third-party tools which will be integrating with Docker. So how you manage this one? GAD. So should have good knowledge on Docker basics, and Bamboo and Nagios knowledge is a added advantage. Project question. So in your experience for the current project you are working, how you implemented Docker? What are the steps you follow? So the practical guidelines you have used, all those things you need to explain here. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Devops Wonder, Devops for all.